The stroke and heart walk to me is symbolic of how you prevent having a stroke and a heart attack.
It's a fun annual September event that helps to raise awareness for heart disease and stroke. So whether you walk fast or you walk slow, walking can reduce your risk factors for both heart attack and for stroke. So give a little bit of care about your health today, and let's get to stepping.
I love the Heart Walk because it gets all the employees and all my coworkers together for a great cause, gets some exercise, gets everybody healthy, and looks great for our heart hospital with healthy people.
The one thing that I have always been consistent with is walking because it's easy. I can just step out my door. I don't have to pay gym fees.
I get out, I get moving, it clears my head. I can listen to my music and not think about anything else. I can get my dogs out there and walking, and I feel refreshed afterwards. And it's pretty cool to see how many people come together for such a great cause.
All across the country, more and more people and more companies are getting involved in the simple exercise of walking. From New York to LA, Minneapolis to Dallas, annual heart walks bring thousands of people together for a common cause: the American Heart Association and the American Stroke Association.
As a company, we all have a responsibility in helping our community get healthier, and the American Heart Association and the Heart Walk offers a lot of resources to help you get your employees in a healthy space.
Roche Diagnostics has been participating in Heart Walk for years. It's one of the best activities we do to build teams with our employees. And really we're involved to encourage a healthy lifestyle for all our employees. We know that produces more productive employees, happier employees, and ultimately will reduce the healthcare costs for Roche.
You've got a lot of people show up on the day of the Heart Walk, so there's a tremendous opportunity for camaraderie.
We want to get 300 employees out at the Heart Walk this year, really trying to continue to increase our participation and, again, get more people walking and then hopefully making that a part of their everyday lifestyle. We have health screenings, activities for kids, so it's a great family event. We also have a 5K run that a lot of our employees like to do that's timed.
Your doctor can prescribe medicine to treat diabetes, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure, but you have to take responsibility for your own health. The American Heart Association says we need to do activity that makes a heart rate faster for at least 20 to 30 minutes, 5 days a week. That's not very much activity.
The Heart Walk is an event each year when heart and stroke survivors can gather to celebrate their lives. And companies can rally their employees at a beautiful downtown Indy location to celebrate their commitment to living healthier and helping a great cause.
I'm a former corporate executive with a company that was heavily involved in the Heart Walk. I'm also a heart attack survivor. I can tell you that the benefits of walking are tremendous. The Heart Walk is really a great activity because it's an opportunity for companies to send a message to their associates or their employees. We care about your health enough to encourage you to get up and move around from your office or your desk 3 or 4 times a day. Getting involved in walking is the simplest form of doing so. The payback for the company is you end up with employees who have a better attitude about where they work. They start feeling better about themselves because walking does help them improve their health. It might lead to them making dietary changes as well. You actually can save money in your healthcare costs with your insurance company because you've created a healthier environment and a healthier culture.
Our mission is helping people live healthier lives, and you can live a healthier life by walking, which is why a corporate investment into the American Heart Association's Heart Walk is a great thing to do.
We are a huge supporter of the American Heart Association and specifically the walk. I'm honored this year to be the chair for the executives and physicians with heart this year. You might ask why we're asking for this challenge. My why is a personal why. My father and my grandfather were both affected by heart disease. And the more we can raise, the more that we can support this community in the fight against heart disease. For the fun part, for those of you who raise over $5,000, we will take a photo of you and add you to a billboard for the Indianapolis 2017 Heart Walk for those executives and physicians with heart.
There's many reasons why you and your company should be involved in the American Heart Association's Indianapolis Heart Walk. My reasons are Tristan, Lucy, and Hudson. I encourage you to find your why and join us in fighting heart disease and stroke in our community.
For every 30 minutes of exercise that you devote, you can count on 2 additional hours of life expectancy. It's just a really good thing to get in the habit of doing.